So this is the image I'm going to use. So now create a new layer, click on this icon here, fill it to transparency and then press OK. And now select the gradient tool. Make sure the gradient is FG to BG RGB, foreground to background RGB. So the foreground color is black and the background color is white. Make sure the shape of the gradient is radial, and now trace your gradient. So I just want to create, for example, here like a sphere with the gradient. Make sure it will go from black to white. So I'm going to leave it here and now press enter. And now I'm going to duplicate the gradient layer, duplicate it, click on this icon, and then left click on the mode here and then change the layer mode to multiply. So this is just in order to increase the effect here of the black sphere here. And now I'm going to merge it down. So I have only one gradient layer. And now go to filter, distort, and then select newsprint. And now in the pattern here, change it to circle. And now in the period here, you can increase the period to increase the size here, the dots. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now I'm going to remove the white color here from my layer. So go to colors and then color to alpha. And then here left click, select the white color, press OK, and then press OK. And now we need to create a background layer. So I'm just going to click on this icon here to create a new layer. Click on this icon, fill it with transparency, and then press OK. And now I'm going to fill it with white. So I'm just going to drag the background color, place it under all the layers, select the top layer, the halftone layer. And now we need to add the new layer group. So click on this icon, place the image and the halftone layer inside. So I'm going to place the halftone layer inside. So here just drag it and then drag the layer, image layer. Make sure the image here is on top of the halftone. Select the image layer, right click on it, go to composite mode, and then select clip to backdrop. So here it is. And now if you select the halftone layer, select the move tool, you can move or even select the image layer, you can move it or even scale it down. So if I select the scale tool, so I'm going to scale it down. So here and now press enter. Select the move tool. So here it is. Place it inside and now press the plus on your keyboard to zoom in. So now as you can see, there are still, for example, some blank spots here. So if you want to fill them, just select the halftone layer, this one here, select the brush tool, reduce the size, make sure the hardness and the force are 100. And now I'm just going to paint here on the halftone layer, this one here, just paint in places here you want to fill. So I'm going to press the minus key on my keyboard to zoom out. So I think I'm going to leave it here.